Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to adapt pretty much anything you want into a nerf attachment. So to start off, you can just pull up your CAD program of choice. I use Tinkercad because it's extremely simple for my monkey brain to understand, but you can use anything else that has the features required to do this. To start, import a 3D file of whatever you want, whatever object you want to put on a nerf gun, as well as this rail. Now this rail, or I guess it's a mount, is obviously a nerf mount, and I will be posting it to my Thingiverse as soon as my internet will start working again, so you can use it for whatever project you've got. So basically what you want to do is place a rail on the object wherever you want to attach it. Now keep in mind the orientation of the object, and make sure the rail isn't obstructed so it attaches smoothly. So basically what I'm doing here is lining up the rail with the object, and making a rectangle the same shape as the inside of the rail, and making it a negative object. Then I'll put it in the mount, where the hole is, and then group it with the other objects so it has no obstructions when you slide it on. Once you've done that, you can pretty much, all you really have to do is resize the rail, and then group the objects together and you're done. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this video helped you out. As always, you can comment a question, and I'll try to get back to you. Otherwise, just DM it to me on Instagram, and I'll answer it. See you guys next week.